Extreme Hunter XP metal detector ground testing. So before we start, check muna natin yung ground if free of metals. So dapat wala tayong ma-detect. So nakakalibrate na yung ano natin, detector, default settings lang. I-retune ko lang. Naka-ground balance na din. So retune lang. Tapos i-check natin yung field kung walang mga metal objects. So wala namang metals. So I think we can begin on the ground testing. So we have 3 samples, 46 centimeter diameter stainless steel basin, 67 centimeter stainless steel basin, and the metal steel drum, 58 by 89 centimeter. So let's do the ground test. Unahin natin yung 46 cm basin. So distance or depth is 2.57 meters. So from the top to bottom, 2.57 meters. Okay, detect natin yung 46 cm diameter stainless steel basin. Retune ko lang. Okay. So na-detect naman, mahina lang. Napakahina, pero na-detect naman. Last. So na-detect naman. Next, 67 cm diameter stainless steel basin at 2.57 meter depth. Okay, stainless steel basin, 67 cm diameter. Retune lang natin yung detector and then detect natin. Nadidetect naman, kaya lang mahina din yung response since we are using the default settings. So ayan lang yung pwede nating ma-detect. So yung reason nga pala kaya default settings lang ginamit natin, marami interference since malapit tayo sa bahay. Kaya kapag tinasan ko yung sensitivity at iba pang mga settings, nagkakaroon na ng medyo false signal na. So nagkakaroon ng intermittent or false signal. So kaya nag default settings lang para mas tahimik yung detector natin. Though mahina yung response, but at least nadi-distinguish pa rin natin yung target. So last. Okay. So our last sample is the metal steel drum. Metal steel drum. Test natin. So retune muna natin yung detector and then detect natin. So mas malakas ng konti itong drum since bigger yung size niya compared dun sa previous two samples. So again, okay, last. Okay, that's the Extreme Hunter HP metal detector. So try kaya nating ear test yung pens. So yung pens doon is made of GI pipe, 3/4 ang size. Then meron siyang mga steel rebar na siguro 8 to 10 mm diameter. So test natin from dito kung madidetect. So dito walang object. Dito walang object. Or meron naman, kaya lang napakalayo na. So try natin yung pens doon. Lapit tayo ng kunti pa.